we will talk about how you can increase your metabolism naturally and lose weight by simply letting your body do the work for you. Build muscle mass. This is because for every pound of lean muscle you have, you will be able to burn 13 calories a day compared to a pound of fat that only burns a maximum of 3 calories a day. Number 2, drink more water. Water, one of the most basic and accessible resources, could actually be your ticket to a faster metabolism. Eat snacks. Frequently eating snacks every 3 to 4 hours can actually help speed up your metabolism and help you burn more calories. Use spices for meals, like red or green chili peppers. This is because spicy foods have natural chemicals like capsaicin, which could kickstart your metabolism into high gear. Eat protein-rich foods. Rich foods like lean beef, fish, chicken, white meat, and eggs. You can then get more protein to help your body digest food faster while feeling less hungry. We hope that you found these metabolism boosting steps helpful.